And news just coming in, this is a move that has angered some Muslim groups. Rajasthan's Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje's government has ordered blood donation camps to be organized on the anniversary of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh ideologue Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay's anniversary. Muslims say this cancels their Bakrid holiday, which may fall on either the 24th or 25th of September. Rahul Kawala, managing editor, joins us with the latest. Rahul, Muslim groups angry about a blood donation camp. Take us through the latest.
Gaurav, after the beef ban in Maharashtra and the meat ban over the Jain festival, now there's another very controversial decision coming in from Rajasthan. It's done very subtly, but the message is very deep. What the Rajasthan government has told all private and government colleges in Rajasthan is that on the 24th and the 25th of September, a blood donation camp should be organized in all these campuses, which happens to be the birth anniversary of Jan Sangh leader Deen Dayal Upadhyay. I want to take you through, Gaurav, this Rajasthan government. If my camera person Subodh Saxena can come a little closer. It says this is for College Education Rajasthan Jaipur. The first paragraph here says that Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay ki Jayanti ke avsar par on the 25th of September, to mark the anniversary of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, all private and government colleges are asked to start a Raktdan, that's a blood donation camp. What it says going forward to point number 15 is that to prepare for this Raktdan program, the blood donation program, the day prior, which is the 24th of September, all the university and colleges should be open. Avkash nahi kiya jaye. There should be no holiday on the 24th of September. 25th is this blood donation camp. 24th, they're ordering that there be no holiday in these colleges. Now, Muslim groups are furious. They're saying that the Eid-ul-Zuha or the Bakar Eid will fall either on the 24th or the 25th of September. And if both those days are working days for teachers, for principals, for staff, for these students, it's really unfair, because this is one of the biggest Muslim festivals and they'd like to mark it. It's supposed to be a holiday. Why then has this blood donation camp be set up on that day?
Okay. Right
now it says, Gaurav, Avkash nahi diya jaye. There mustn't be a holiday on that day. Remember, something similar had happened on the 25th of December, which is Christmas, when they wanted to do another function of this nature. But at that time, later, it was changed to suggest that this was voluntary. This circular that India Today has been able to access doesn't say anywhere that this is voluntary. It says very clearly, in fact, the language used, and I want to take our viewers through the operative part once more. Karyarat Kramikon ko Avkash nahi diya jaye. The government employees who are involved in this program should not be given nahi diya jave. Evam mukhyalay chhodne ki anumati pradan nahi ki jave. So it's supposed to be compulsory, Gaurav.
Stay with me for a moment, Rahul. There are reactions coming in. I want to go through those reactions. I'll come back to you for more on this story.
अब आप उस दिन के लिए आप ये ऑर्डर निकाल रहे हैं कि उस दिन स्कूल खुले रहेंगे, कॉलेज खुले रहेंगे, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप्स लगेंगे और छुट्टियां जो है वो एक दिन पहले से रद्द कर दी जाएंगी। तो इस तरह के जो आदेश हैं ये संविधान के खिलाफ हैं और हमारी डेमोक्रेटिक जो स्पिरिट है उसके खिलाफ है और जो इस मुल्क का जो सेकुलर ढांचा है उसको भी खत्म करने की एक कोशिश मालूम होती है।
तो ये नया एक ऑर्डर सरकार ने जारी कर दिया है कि ईद उल अजहा पर ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप्स लगाए जाएंगे सारे कॉलेजेस में। तो ये एक तरह से देश के जो वो है गजेटेड हॉलिडे है उसको अवॉइड करना, ये लोगों के अधिकारों का हनन है। अब हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि सरकार इसको वापस ले ले, और अगर वापस नहीं लेती है तो हमें जो लोकतांत्रिक तरीके हैं उन तरीकों से हम अपना विरोध प्रकट करेंगे।
So Muslim groups are up in arms. They say this is Eid, it's a gazetted holiday. Why is it that Vasundhara Raje government is ordering a blood donation camp on the anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay's birth anniversary on the same day? Is there a bigger trend to this, as Rahul Kanwal was just reporting a short while back that this is something like this had happened even on Christmas last year. That was seen more in the domain of the Human Resource and Development Ministry, but this time once again it's the Rajasthan Chief Minister's government. It is the Vasundhara Raje government in Rajasthan. And Chandrabhan Singh of Rajasthan Congress joins me on the broadcast. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay के जन्म के वर्षगांठ के उपलक्ष्य में अगर एक रक्तदान शिविर लग रहा है, चंद्रभान जी, इसमें आपत्ति क्या है कांग्रेस को?
देखिए, रक्तदान शिविर लगाने में कांग्रेस को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है
जी,
लेकिन इसके अलावा यदि कोई बंधन लगाए जाते हैं उस दिन तो वो अनुचित है।
किस तरह के बंधन की आप बात कर रहे हैं?
और ये सुनने में आ रहा है कि उस दिन जो स्कूल और कॉलेज के जो विद्यार्थी हैं या कोई दूसरे जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं वो किसी तरह के अवकाश वगैरह नहीं ले सकते जरूरी। ये तो सबको अधिकार है, कहीं कोई बीमार भी हो सकता है, कोई जरूरी काम भी हो सकता है, तो उसमें अवकाश क्यों नहीं ले सकते। और दूसरी बात ये भी जानकारी में आ रही है कि उसमें ईद उल जुहा का त्योहार भी हो सकता है। वो तो खैर उनका तो संभावना है, उसको मैं नहीं कहता
जी,
लेकिन इस तरह का आप कैसे सर्कुलर जारी कर सकते हैं कि आप अवकाश नहीं ले सकते?
किंतु अभी निर्धारित नहीं है कि 24 या 25 किस दिन ईद होगी। क्या ये बवाल पहले ही खड़ा हो रहा है या ऐसा अंदेशा है, इसी अंदेशे के चलते अभी से कांग्रेस की क्या मांग है? क्या सरकार को यह आदेश वापस ले लेना चाहिए, चंद्रभान जी?
नहीं, सरकार को इस तरह का आदेश जारी नहीं करना चाहिए। मैं कह रहा हूं कि ठीक है, वो दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी के जन्मदिन पर यदि वो इस तरह का रक्तदान शिविर कौन पहले तो कभी आयोजित हुआ नहीं, मैंने तो सुना नहीं आज तक। ये उनकी पार्टी का कार्यक्रम हो सकता है और वो अपनी पार्टी का कार्यक्रम करे, उसको क्यों सरकारी कार्यक्रम बना लें। और जहां तक राजस्थान सरकार का, राजस्थान में तो कोई दीनदयाल जी हो सकता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बड़े नेता रहे हों
जी
या जनसंघ के नेता रहे हों, लेकिन राजस्थान के संदर्भ में तो उनका कोई ज्यादा योगदान भी नहीं है।
आपने हमसे बात की चंद्रभान जी, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता, हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। द कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑल्सो सेज दिस अपीयर्स टू बी प्लेन पॉलिटिक्स। व्हाई वाज सच एन ऑर्डर इश्यूड इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस? There is more breaking news coming in, and this comes in from Maharashtra, where the Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray has said that the Shiv Sena will not permit a meat ban in Maharashtra, especially in the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation area on the days of the Jain festival, on the 4 days. He said that meat ban will not be permitted. Uddhav Thackeray says the Shiv Sena, which incidentally is a part of the ruling government of the Devendra Fadnavis government, he says that his party is opposed to the meat ban, and this is an attack, is what senior Shiv Sena leaders have been telling India Today, that this is an attack on the Marathi way of life. This is a Jain festival, the Prayushan, and on the day of this Jain festival, a meat ban for 8 days now is being contemplated by the BMC. Joining me now is Kamlesh Sutar with the latest. Kamlesh, this has coalition partners at loggerheads. What's the latest?
Well, indeed, Uddhav Thackeray clearly has put his foot down, saying that he will not allow the meat ban across the state for 8 days. He says that the Shiv Sena is not opposed to the ban for the first and the last day of Paryushan Parv, which has been a practice in Maharashtra. The BMC has been not allowing slaughter on the first and the last day of Paryushan Parv, that is the fasting period for the Jains. But this time, the ban being extended to 8 days, the Shiv Sena is against it. Just 2 days before, when the Meera Bhayandar Municipal Corporation had passed the resolution in the general body meeting of Meera Bhayandar, Shiv Sena had vehemently opposed it, saying that they will not allow it to happen. And now with BMC coming up with a circular, even Shiv Sena, which is in power, an ally of the BJP, has opposed and said that it will not allow the ban for 8 days, not in Mumbai and not even in other parts of Maharashtra.
Kamlesh Sutar, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. We will continue to track this story very closely. The question remains that this ban was in place since 1964. Areas were increased in 2004. Why protests only in 2015? A quick break. All the news from the world of sport comes up next. Stay